How to buy KryptEX AI token. So this token came under the symbol of KTX. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. So this token, as you can see, it's in the pre-sale right now. If you click on the official website, you will be able to redact this page, as you can see. Now if you want to click on buy token, you will be able to connect your wallet, or there is another way to buy this token, as you can see. So if we scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see this section here on their website to buy this token. So here the payment method. So if you want to pay with BNB or USDT, so if you select the USDT, as you can see, enter the USDT that you want to buy with. As you can see here, you will be able to see how much of KTX tokens you will be able to receive. So as you can see, the one USDT equal 200 KTX tokens, as you can see. Now click on connect your wallet. Now as I see here, the only wallet that is available, it's Rabi wallet. So after you log into your wallet, as you can see, now see here, as you can see, so after that I will just repeat the process. Now here they said that please process the alert before signing. So as you can see, after that you need to complete the buy process from your wallet, or you can connect with another wallet. So I will just select the BTK wallet for that. I will just log in to my wallet first. Now click on connect. So as you can see, so after you connect your wallet, click buy token, and now wait a few seconds. And as you can see, the signature confirmation, click on confirm. Now, because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can't complete the buy process. So for you, or for your case, you can click on confirm, and now you will be able to relax to another step to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy KTX token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.